degrees and I could barely breathe. He waited and said, hey, come sit by me. I was scared at first, cause when he spoke he wasn't very soft. He told me about the lifelong love of his heart. Had a t-shirt on that said we're all gonna die alone. I still believe that's true, I truly do. I want you to notice and I want you to care. Oh, Horatio, oh, Horatio, I want you to notice and I want you to care. Oh, Horatio, please don't go, please don't go. He was 22, unemployed with a perfect smile. On his way to Paris, no, I never asked why. His English was as bad as mine, but